news you can count on.
And tonight we start with the promising news on the vaccine front. We now know that California is expecting around 380,000 doses of the vaccine to arrive as early as this week. The U.S. is getting a third tool in the battle against the coronavirus. On Sunday afternoon, the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention votes to recommend the usage of the Johnson & Johnson vaccine for people who are at least 18 years or older. John Lornish leading us off. He shows us the process being made with the new vaccine.
A third coronavirus vaccine could become available in the U.S. within the next few days.
The vaccine is highly effective in preventing severe COVID-19.
This one from Johnson & Johnson only requires a single dose.
This is going to increase immediately by somewhere between 70 to 80% our ability to deliver new shots to people every week. It's a big deal.
Health experts say the J&J vaccine will help get the nation toward a return to normalcy.
For the most severe and critical disease, hospitalizations and deaths, the performance was just as good. This is an outstanding vaccine.
Data from the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention shows just over 7.5% of the U.S. population is fully vaccinated, including Dr. Anthony Fauci, the director of the National Institute of Allergy and Infectious Diseases.
If I were not vaccinated now, and I had a choice of getting a J&J vaccine now or waiting for another vaccine, I would take whatever vaccine would be available to me.
But despite this process, health officials stress people still need to be cautious.
We're really right now in a race between variants and vaccines, and we have to do whatever we can to shut down this virus.
I'm John Lawrence reporting.
Now, Johnson & Johnson says that it has about 4 million vaccine doses available to ship right now, but says that it expects to roughly have about 20 million ready before April. Well, hundreds of educators in California are taking the first steps towards getting back into the classroom. At the Vaccine Super Center in Chula Vista, you can see what it looks like, long lines forming even before the doors opened out there. Now, some people in line are educators who are now eligible to take the vaccine, but this process could take a while. There are around 80,000 teachers in San Diego County alone. Local officials say that vaccine supply is an issue, calling it, quote, a week-to-week ordeal. Now, despite that, teachers out there are staying positive.
It represents a chance to go back into the classroom and be with my students again, because we miss that connection. Being on Zoom is difficult for the teacher, for the students, and we just, we need to be in the classroom.
It feels like an extra layer of protection, or like a shield that is going to help strengthen me so that I can get back to doing what I love.
Now, healthcare representatives out there say that they are expecting the newly approved Johnson & Johnson vaccine, which only requires one dose, to start arriving very soon. Tracking the vaccine numbers now in our area, total doses administered here is what we are talking about. Butte County, almost 55,000 total. Shasta County at over 27,000. Tehama County getting closer to 10,000, and Glenn County at over 5,000. Let's break down the cases now, county by county where you live. No new cases over the weekend to report. We do expect these numbers to update tomorrow. For a full list of everything you need to know about the coronavirus, head over to our website, actionnewsnow.com.